All right, let's dive right into one of the most vibrant economies in the world right now, Bangladesh. We're going to explore why it's quickly becoming such a hot destination for investors and entrepreneurs. This is a market that's really on the brink of an incredible transformation, and today we are breaking down exactly where those golden opportunities are hiding.
So where does the story begin? Well, it starts with the people. With a population that's over 170 million, Bangladesh has this absolutely massive and youthful consumer market. And look, that's not just a statistic. It's the engine, right? It's a dynamic workforce and a huge base of customers just ready to fuel the entire economy. And this huge population, they're getting connected, and they're getting connected fast. We're talking about nearly half the country being online. This isn't just a trend, it's a fundamental digital shift that's literally creating brand new industries and completely shaking up the old ones from the ground up.
But you know what the real game changer is? It's this. Almost every single household has a mobile phone. Think about that for a second. That level of penetration means the entire country is primed for a mobile-first economic boom. Services, products, information. It can all reach pretty much anyone, anywhere.
So here's how we're going to break it all down in today's explainer. We'll kick things off with the big picture drivers. Then we'll dive deep into those specific high-growth sectors. After that, we'll compare them from an investor's perspective and wrap it all up with some key actionable takeaways for you.
So what are the core ingredients behind this incredible growth story? I mean, it's not just one thing, right? It's actually a powerful mix of several key factors all coming together at the perfect time.
And here they are. It's really this perfect storm for investment and innovation. You've got widespread digital adoption that's being fueled by government support. You have this massive pool of young, tech-savvy talent, and it's all converging at the same time as rapid urbanization.
Okay, let's pivot to our first big group of opportunities and see how this solid digital foundation is being used to create some absolutely explosive growth. These three sectors, they are the heart of the digital boom. But what's so crucial to understand is that they aren't just growing in their own little silos. No, they're creating this powerful, interconnected ecosystem where growth in one literally fuels growth in the others.
And this shows you exactly how they feed each other. In e-commerce, the race is on to serve this massive online consumer base. Now, to make that happen, FinTech companies like Bkosh and Nagad are building the payment systems. But, and this is a big but, with a large part of the population still unbanked, there are huge gaps for innovators to fill, especially in areas like microfinancing and specialized payments.
And then you've got IT and software. The beauty of this sector is its incredibly low barrier to entry and its massive global demand. With a skilled workforce that's also cost competitive, Bangladesh is really becoming a prime spot for foreign startups that are looking to build world-class tech.
But hey, the growth isn't just happening on screens. It's also physical. A modernizing economy needs modern infrastructure and services to support all that digital progress.
These three sectors, right here, they provide the essential backbone for everything else. They support both the digital revolution and the rising quality of life in the big cities. I mean, think about it. All those tech companies need offices, their employees need places to live, and of course, all that e-commerce needs products to be delivered.
And this quote just brilliantly illustrates the real estate opportunity. As more multinational corporations, expats, and startups flood into the cities, the demand for furnished, move-in-ready spaces is just soaring. You see companies like Banglamart.com and Leasebet.com BD already tapping into this, offering a stable, asset-backed return for savvy investors.
So, here's the crucial point. As e-commerce booms, the entire system hinges on logistics. And that final, most critical step is getting a package from a local warehouse to a customer's doorstep. This last-mile delivery is a huge challenge in densely populated cities, which, of course, makes it a massive opportunity for anyone who can crack that code.
Okay, so we've seen the key sectors. Now, let's put them side by side and really analyze them from an investor's point of view. Weighing the potential rewards against the very real risks.
This table gives us a fantastic snapshot. You can immediately see the very high growth potential in e-commerce and fintech, but notice they also require medium to high capital. Now contrast that with IT and software, which offers high growth but with low risk and capital. And hey, don't overlook the stable sectors like furnished apartments and logistics. They offer a totally different risk profile. This really lays out those classic risk-reward trade-offs.
And this chart just drives the point home visually. I mean, look at that. E-commerce and fintech are just towering above the rest, both scoring a perfect 10 for growth potential. But look closer at the others.
IT, logistics, furnished apartments, and education all score a very strong 7 or 8. This shows that while tech is definitely leading the charge, the growth is really broad-based across a lot of key sectors.
So what does this all mean for you? Let's move from just looking at data to actually taking action. Let's translate this analysis into a clear, strategic playbook.
Okay, here's the bottom line. For startups who are chasing that massive unicorn-level scale, e-commerce and fintech are calling your name. For investors who prioritize lower risk and stable cash flow, IT services and furnished real estate offer really compelling cases. The key is aligning your capital and your risk appetite with the right opportunity. And, this is crucial, finding strong local partners to navigate the market with.
In short, what we're seeing in Bangladesh is a rare window of opportunity. This isn't just slow and steady growth. This is a critical moment where huge demographic shifts and rapid digital transformation are all coming together to create a new economic powerhouse for the 21st century.
The foundational pieces are all in place. The growth is accelerating, and the opportunities are clear. So really, the only question left is, how are you going to be a part of this incredible growth story?